Today we are making a Peruvian-style passion fruit cheesecake in the microwave. It serves 8 and takes about 30 minutes of active time, plus chilling. Let's do it. Before we start, here's what you'll need. 1 1/2 cups of Maracuyá-style vanilla cookie crumbs, about 150 grams, for the crust. 5 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, about 70 grams, to bind the crust. 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, about 450 grams, for a silky filling. 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, about 397 grams, to sweeten and thicken. 1 cup of seedless passion fruit pulp, 240 milliliters, for that classic Maracuyá punch. 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 30 milliliters, to brighten the filling. 2 large eggs to help the cheesecake set in the microwave. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 milliliters, for aroma. 1 pinch of fine salt to balance the sweetness. 1/3 cup of passion fruit pulp with seeds, 80 milliliters, for the glossy topping. 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, about 40 grams, to sweeten the topping. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Crush Maracuyá cookies into fine crumbs, measure 1 1/2 cups, and place the crumbs into a medium mixing bowl. Add 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a microwave-safe cup, cover loosely, and microwave on high for 30 to 40 seconds until fully melted. Pour the melted butter over the crumbs and stir until every crumb is evenly moistened. Press the moistened crumbs into an 8-inch glass pie dish, making a flat base with a small rim up the sides. Microwave the crust on high for 1 minute to set it, then let it cool for 5 minutes at room temperature. In a large bowl, beat 16 ounces of softened cream cheese until perfectly smooth with no lumps. Add the 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of fine salt. Beat until the batter is silky. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, and mix just until each egg is incorporated. Stir in 1 cup of seedless passion fruit pulp until the batter looks evenly mixed. Tap the bowl to pop air bubbles, then pour the filling over the cooled crust and smooth the top with a spatula. Microwave at 50% power for 2 minutes, rotate the dish a quarter turn, and let it rest for 1 minute. Keep cooking at 50% power in 1-minute bursts, rotating the dish each time, for 5 to 7 minutes more, until the edges are set and the center still wobbles slightly. The total cook time will be about 8 to 10 minutes. Let the cheesecake rest inside the microwave with the door ajar for 10 minutes. Then cool it on the counter for 20 minutes. Refrigerate the cheesecake uncovered for 2 hours, until it is fully set and cool in the center. Make the topping by mixing 1/3 cup of passion fruit pulp with seeds and 3 tablespoons of sugar in a small microwave-safe bowl. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway, until slightly syrupy. Let it cool completely. Loosen the edges with a thin knife, spoon the cooled passion fruit syrup on top, unmold onto a plate if you like, then slice and serve. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this quick Peruvian cheesecake, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more fast desserts.